Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to create a TikTok ads account. All right. So first up, just go ahead and open up your favorite browser. Now, in the URL box, just type in ads.tiktok.com. Once done, just hit on enter and wait for the website to load. Now, once it loads, click on the Get Started button right here at the top right. Click on it. And once it loads, here you have the sign up page. Now, I already made a video on how to create one by using TikTok, but it's pretty easy to do. You click on sign up with TikTok, and once done, you're good to go. You'll have your TikTok ads account. Now, in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a fresh TikTok ads account by using our email, all right? If you want to use phone or phone number right here, just click on this option. If not, type down your email and go ahead and put your password. Make sure that it is 6 to 20 characters, which includes numbers, letters, and special characters, okay? Like so. And once done, tick on the tick box right here, saying that you agree with their TikTok commercial terms of service. And once done, just hit on sign up. Wait for it to load and follow the simple verification process right here, like so, and hit on confirm. Again, wait for it. And here there will be a verification code sent to that email, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and open up Gmail real quick, paste that verification code in here. All right, and once done, go ahead and type down your business name. For example, Made for Money. Website URL, which is optional for now. You are going to need to set up your website URL later, okay? Industry right here would be e-commerce, games, and some other options, okay? For example, I am on to media and content creation, audio and video production, okay? Now, phone number right here, type down your phone number. If you want to customize your account more, click on this drop down, okay? That'll be your country or region, currency, and the time zone. And once done, tick on the tick box and hit on continue. Wait for the website to load. Now, once it loads, you just created your TikTok ads account. All right. Just hit on accept right here. And once done, you can now go ahead and start creating your new campaign. I have a separate video which I teach you how to create your campaign. Just go ahead and look it up on the channel. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.